It's the same day, same video. Betaware v01.04.0701. Action 4 and Action 5 Pro. 4K 60 frames per second standard D-Warp horizon balance. Camera is set to where the Pro is off. And that's what this video is going to be about. I'm not going to be comparing both, but just in this beginning and then continuing on in just this mode. So this way you get to see what the camera actually looks like. A lot of people use the camera just as is and they don't bother with Pro mode. Do you hear the microphone if you're not in Pro mode? That's the ultimate test. The external mic should be separated from Pro mode. It's not part of Pro. And that's something I'm going to request, to separate out of Pro mode. I talk in a nice, natural, loud voice. I always ask, where does my mic lay on me? This is where it lays on me. This is my breastbone right here. It's like the nollie sign or fist from my mouth. The dB levels are negative 8 dB. I had it at negative 7 dB. I'm pretty happy. But like I said, if you're looking for using the mic, you must set the camera up in Pro mode. And that means I gotta change all my settings for you. So let's hop on the bike, put the Action 4 away, because it's all about the Action 5, the latest and greatest camera with the new Qualcomm chip, and finish off this vlog of v01.04.0701. Question is, can I stop the video? Yes, the Peer Link will work as a remote start-stop, and most likely as an external mic once you go into Pro and hit the microphone, set things up and get off of Pro. And I say that for the reasons of, as I look at the front screen, I have the green bars going forward. So some people may not know that. Some people may forget, like the fish. I made a mistake. I apologize. My bad. But am I right that you have to open up Pro to get to the mic that's not separated from the camera? More or less, you just have to go through the settings to get to it and then turn off Pro and everything will be set up correctly. Like I was saying before, I'm on 8 dB on the negative side and my mic is over here and I keep it underneath for a little bit of added protection that it don't fly around in the dirt. So now let's move on so you get to see a couple of shots with, you got it, just the regular use of the camera, the sun in the back facing you and not me. As we face forward, I want to pull over to the tulips so you get to see some colors. These are just a set of tulips. And we'll just ride nice and slow. And we'll move along to the next set of tulips that are really colorful. All this rebuilt. Yes, Hurricane Sandy. Storm of the century. 10 feet of water all the way down. All right, we'll just ride along. See the nice tall tulips. Tip throw to the tulips. Yes, indeed. The sun in your eyes, not mine. We have to take the long way around. So this way you get to see a silhouette of color. Water's nice and calm. This is probably going to be called right about now, the golden hour. The bay really didn't end over here. It went all the way down to where I ride to the amusement park. Over here is the setup of a memorial As you can see how the sun hits it, of the world. It's a setup of a memorial. All the names. All those houses, except for two, probably coming down. Gonna be a nice condominium. 3 18-wheelers that are gonna be building something nearby. Up ahead, more condominiums. Well, we started out over here, and we're going to end up over here and saying thank you very much for your time. I'm Fish. I hope you enjoyed this. Not out of the box, but just out of the camera without using Pro, the settings. Enjoy your video, your product, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It is one of the best budget cameras on the market today. Have a great one. Later.